Are you looking for something interesting to cook for Father's Day, but you don't have a lot of time? If you're making an elegant meal, filet mignon and vegetables and baked potatoes, because you're either at the very beginning of your Father's Day career or the very end, and that's what your mate likes, that's fine, but that's not tonight. Tonight is assuming you're having people over for a cookout or a barbecue. I'm never quite sure which word to use, but I'm from the North where the words are interchangeable. So if you are doing hot dogs and burgers, that's great. And I'm going to give you a way to up your hot dog game. First, instead of regular hot dogs, use a better product. These are Polish links, uncured from Teton Waters Ranch, grass-fed, grass-finished beef. They are awesome. I switched to grass-fed beef myself a few years ago. And it's tough to find processed products that are grass-fed, but these Teton Waters links really are. So what we are going to do is a little take on broths in a beer bath, where you cook your bratwurst on the grill, and then you put them in a sauce made of beer, and you set it aside, and that way, as people want to eat, they can come and serve themselves. So you get most of the work done up front, and that's great. In this case, though, we are going to cook that sauce down so it becomes a relish you can serve on the links themselves. So if you still want to do a beer bath with this, you can. I would just double the sauce. And when you get to the part where I talk about cooking it down, just don't do that. And that way you can leave everything on the side of the grill and people can serve themselves. There are two ways to start this. One is if you don't have a grill, you can cook these in a frying pan on the stove. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to set these aside for a minute and get our sauce ready. I need oil and butter. I measured it out and put it here. I need onion that I have already sliced up nicely. One big red onion will give you about a cup and a half of sliced onion, and that's what we need for this. The seasonings, I have all mise en place in the bowl already. Brown sugar, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, French thyme. And then after the onions cook down just a little bit, we are going to add half a bottle of beer. I am not a beer salesman. I'm not recommending any particular beer. Use half a bottle of whatever beer the Father's Day honoree really likes. Then I'm going to use half a cup of beef stock, which will enrich the sauce. Now, if you don't want to use beer, because all the alcohol doesn't cook out, most of it does, but if you're concerned about that, you can just use entirely beef stock. That would be absolutely fine, just to make sure you get a good quality, flavorful brand. And if you're making your own stock out of demi-glace, just put in a little bit extra than they recommend to give you a stronger flavor, maybe a tiny bit of mustard. That doesn't really taste like beer, but it'll give you a little bit more flavor. So I'm going to turn on the heat, and I'm going to put the butter and oil in the frying pan. And then I'm going to add the onions. So I've started the onions in the butter and the oil. This is just plain oil, nothing fancy, nothing flavored. I am going to let these soften a bit while I go out to the grill and get the links started. These are fully cooked, so it's only going to take a couple of minutes on each side. So here we are, the Polish links heating up on the grill, and literally it's just 2 minutes aside to get them warm and get some of that smoky flavor on them. I'm not worrying about getting grill marks because those would actually come off in beer, just a little bit of the flavor. In about 5 minutes, you can see the Polish links are nicely grilled. I really like using these instead of plain hot dogs because they have a richer flavor and they have more bulk, and they're also grass-fed, and I know everything that's in them. But you can also do this recipe with any cooked sausage. So if you wanted to use bratwurst, that would be terrific. So as you can see, the onions in the 5 minutes have softened nicely. What I'm going to do now is take our seasonings that I prepped and put it in here, sprinkle it over, and then just cook it until the sugar has melted, and that will let the flavors of everything else bloom a little bit. It smells really good. And then I'm going to open my bottle of beer. I am going to measure it to see that I get about 6 ounces. Looks good. And then the beer is going to go right in there. And as I said before, feel free to use all stock if you would like to. The taste won't be the same, but it'll still taste pretty good. And the beef stock is going in here. Now, if you are going to do the beer bath routine, where then you leave your grill on out there, somebody's doing hamburgers or something, and to keep the links warm, you just put them in here. And that would be the links in a beer bath. And if you're doing a ton of them, this is a 10-inch frying pan, you could probably fit 12 of them in a 12-inch frying pan. And then you just put the rolls and the mustard out next to it, and you don't need to worry about everything. People can help themselves. But that's not what I'm going to do, because these onions are really great, and I want to be able to eat these with the links. What I'm going to do tonight when we're done is put them in a roll, but you could also serve them on top of mashed potatoes or something in the winter. So I am turning the fire up, and I am going to watch them, because what I want is I want the liquid to evaporate so that we have nice flavorful onions in links. And that will take anywhere from 10 to 25 minutes, depending on how hot your burner is. And needless to say, if you are doing this on a high temperature, because you're going to be serving them right away, you don't want to leave this alone. But you could just put them on low and let them simmer while you were off doing something else and getting things ready. So this is really a pretty simple Father's Day meal. It's about as easy as just doing plain hot dogs, but has a lot more flavor and will make the special guy that you're cooking it for feel like you did something special for him, assuming he likes links and onions and beer. So we're going to let this cook for a little while and then come back. So here we are. You can see the onions have cooked down. They're beautifully caramelized. The beer and the beef stock have both evaporated. Again, if you're concerned about the alcohol in the beer, go ahead and use all beef stock. I'm going to serve it on pretzel buns. I really like pretzel buns with the onions, maybe a little mustard. I also have the sauerkraut that I made, but we can have the both in the refrigerator. But I'll probably just put a little bit of mustard on the pretzel buns. We are definitely getting to the personal taste part of this, in terms of what you put on is what you like. So I put a little bit of mustard on my roll, and I am going to serve myself a sausage, some onions. And there we have Polish links with caramelized beer braised onion. It's pretty good to me. Enjoy.